I get so focused and enthusiastic about talking about trademark applications and the trademark registration process that I was looking back on our content, over the years, and I haven't talked a lot about common law trademark rights. So I wanted to take a brief moment to address what are common law trademark rights. You see, these are the rights that a business gets when they use a trademark, a brand name, a logo, a slogan, or some other indicator or source, and the rights that they get from using it without registering it. Because it's not a requirement to register it. We know that. Many businesses begin using their trademarks before they register them. Of course, we recommend registering as soon as possible. But if a business uses a trademark for some period of time without a registration or before they registered, it doesn't mean that they have no rights. They have what are called common law rights. Common law rights are not necessarily as strong as registered rights. There are some limitations, and it may be harder to enforce or certainly harder to get damages when you're relying solely on common law rights. But they do exist and they are valuable. Sometimes you have no choice but to rely on your common law rights. Now, one other important thing about common law rights is that they may be more limited. One of the great benefits of registration with the USPTO that we talk about all the time is that it gives you nationwide protection in all 50 states. Common law rights, on the other hand, may be limited to the geographic scope where the business is located. So a restaurant in Northern California that does not have a trademark registration but has been operating for several years does have common law rights. But those rights may be limited to Northern California because the business may not really have transacted any business or be known outside of that geographic area. And so that geographic scope is another reason that it's so valuable to apply for trademark registration. So if you hear that phrase, common law trademark rights, or if you're wondering, do I have any rights even if I don't have a registration? The answer is yes. You may have some common law rights. You're probably better off with a registration, or at least starting the process to get a registration as well. But if you want to talk about your particular questions or situation, feel free to reach out to us at ericpelton.com or drop a comment here where you're watching or listening to this.